it's Lauren, and I ordered another nature box today, so me and Brooke are gonna try it. So let's get started. First, I want to start off really good, just in case all the other ones are nasty. I got double berry fruit peels. I'm just gonna share one. No, girl. There's a lot. Never mind. Dang. Ow. Same. Ooh. This looks like they smell really good. Hey, they don't look that satisfying. Hold on. I want to. I'm gonna stop my camera. Okay. Wait, you gotta peel it. They're peels for a reason. Maybe not. Ah, I wasn't ready yet. Kind of tastes like wax. They're okay. I mean, I wouldn't feed it to my kid. Yeah. I wouldn't buy it again, but it's okay. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is salt and vinegar veggie chips. I love salt and vinegar chips. I love salt and vinegar, so I'm gonna have it. Okay, they look like banana. Well, you can't see that, but okay, nope. Still can see it. Which turn is this? Kind of burn your lips when you eat on your lips. Oh, that's good. I don't know if mine's just burnt. I think I got a burnt one. I think they're okay. Stay tuned. Gotta be bananas. That's what it looks like. They're. Hold on! Okay. Okay, so the next one's mini cocoa Belgian waffles. All these were good so far, so let's not say so. Okay, my camera's... Opinions are like assholes. Everyone has one. No profanity, okay, ready? Okay. Is this something really healthy for you? Because it's pretty nasty. 6 of these is 140 calories. That's not really good. I feel like these would be good with our low-fat milk. I don't know, it kind of tastes stale. I'm already sick of eating it after one bite. Yeah, same. Okay, so the next one are these Mocha almond bars. Tastes like a low-fat Snickers. I'm trying to decide if I like it or not. I do love this box more than I love my old ones. These are really good. I like this box way more. I'll put all of the stuff that I got in the description box below. Go to naturebox.com/Lauren for 50% off your order. Cause go Lauren. Ooh. I'm trying to eat this already. Okay, so the last and final item is the mac and cheese with veggies. Well, anyways, you can't see it. But we're going to go heat these up and we'll be right back. So let's go. Always gonna fly away just because you know you can. Never gonna learn this. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. The nature box that I got this time was really good. This is not, like, these nature boxes are not sponsored or anything. But I really love them. So nature box, if you want to sponsor me, please do. But, thank you guys for watching this video, and, yeah, so, have a great night. Bye. Oh, got some hiccups in that last little bit. Anyways, I got a job. I got a job at Little Caesars. So, I'm really excited, and hopefully God will lead me on this journey, and, yeah, so... And actually, if you're out there, I only got a job because my brother's girlfriend is having a baby, and I'm so excited because I do not want kids on my own at all. So I'm really excited. I'm just really, really excited. So anyways, thanks for watching again. That was such a long, like, outro. Okay, anyways, bye!